After White Sands, Destin, Florida, Silver Dunes condominiums are truly in the heart of Destin. Big Kahuna's Water Park right across the street, a ground floor unit inside the front gate, easy to unpack your gear and a short walk from your vehicle. Pool is just outside the back patio of this unit, yet private, nestled in palm trees and beautiful landscaping, fully furnished and stocked. Just move in or use as vacation rental for investment income. This complex has tennis courts, fitness, game room, pools and private beach access. It is convenient to find dining, shopping, gas stations, convenience stores, you name it. Just outside the back of the unit is a grill area and picnic table. Enjoy condo living and have access to the most beautiful white sand beaches anywhere. All dimensions to be verified by buyer and buyer's agent. All appliances convey, but ours is. Come take a look today.